Hello Bladers, my name is Akshis and welcome to my channel Beyblade vs Warriors. So today we are gonna do episode 22 of Beyblade vs Dynamite Battle spoilers. Episode spoilers. Before that, I really want you to check the description. In the description, there are links to go to Telegram and Netflix. You know Netflix already. In my previous video, I have even sent the link of Netflix, like in website or something. But it's not so important. Like you can just type Netflix and you can just go. And yeah, in Telegram. So coming to Telegram app is an app just like WhatsApp, but here you can like see your anime shows and all by going to the search button and typing them, and then there'll be lots of groups about them. You can choose any group if you want. Now about Beyblade vs Dynamite, you can just type Beyblade vs Dynamite Battle or DB. Mostly I prefer DB actually. So there's one channel called Beyblade vs DB. So over there he has one more channel. He'll be giving the links to go to the another channel, and he has like almost 2k subscribers, I guess. No, yeah, it's like YouTube also, kind of like you can subscribe the channel, you can join the channel, so to stay updated. So I hope that you go and check out their channels. Before we start this video, we hope that you subscribe the channel and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss out any cool videos of this channel. And don't forget to check out our other channels like Among Us Journeys. So now in episode 22, now let's come back to episode 22 spoilers. In episode 22 spoilers, Bell, Rashad, Ranso, Basara, and Ilyamo, the new female blader, they all are gonna do a battle royale. And in and whoever wins in the battle royale will battle a legend. It's Louis Shirozaki, guys. I'm a fan of him. Like he's my fourth favorite character in Beyblade, and it seems like Waki is giving them information, like a bit of the information about his new bay. Like he didn't give yet, but he told that Louis has got a new bay. We all might have heard it. It's called Guilty Longinus, and it's so I know that it's gonna be epic. Really, TT's last few releases have been very good. Like, but some future suggestions from many people, I know it. Like for Savior Valkyrie, Stamina, I know it, but that's the whole point of attack types, guys. Like attack base are not meant to have that much of stamina, but there's one exception for that's Belial. Yeah, Belial is the bay. It's an attack type which has lots of stamina, I know it. Let's hope in the future Valtryek also gets a bit more stamina. But I hope that its attacks is still way more like effective, way more takes way more damage and all, gives more damage. Like Savior Valkyrie, it gives way more damage and all, I know it. It can even burst Astral Spriggan. That's even Astral Spriggan's burst resistance is not so, like, it's okay, normal, but it's I'm very happy about it also because like till Rise, from Beyblade Burst first season to Rise, we all have been seeing burst, but when Surge came, we haven't seen so many bursts. Like again, one exception, Glide October. I know it sometimes it burst, but not every time, right? Like, yeah, I know it. Most of the time it bursts if you give some hard hits and then it bursts. But all the base, they don't burst at all. So it takes time, and then sometimes they're in half click, sometimes they're only one click. But in Dynamite, like we have seen Belial burst once. Like I think I have seen Belial burst once in Beyblade Geeks video. I know that you all know Beyblade Geeks, of course. Like, if you don't know, then you gotta check out the channel. They're so awesome. They're my favorite YouTubers. And even Cyclone Rocktober has got bursted by like I've seen in Super Paper Family's video, I guess so. By Glide Rocktober, I think, or in Beyblade Geeks video itself. But even Super Paper Family, they're also a family, and they love Beyblade a lot, just like me. I too like Beyblade a lot. So now let's come back to the spoilers. So now they're gonna do a battle royale. So this Ilya Mao, she tricked Ranso first itself. She told that go in high mode, and then he took advice. Actually, that's not advice. Like that was just a trick from Ilya Mao, and she tricked him. And then he went on high mode. He was keep on hitting Road Bahamut, and Road Bahamut lost. Yeah, a Road Bahamut got knocked out, and then it's a fact, guys. Base in high mode of dynamite system don't have that much stamina like in low mode. In low mode, they have way more stamina, but the attack is not so much. That's the thing. That's the whole point of low mode and high mode. Low mode has way more stamina, and high mode has less stamina, but way more damage. It gives out way more damage. So that's the whole point. And then now let's come back. Okay, and then now let's come back to the spoilers. Now, yeah, so Ranso had less stamina, and the Iliamo's new bay, Magma Ifrit. I think it's a balanced type. I guess so. I don't know. Like, I haven't like seen, I don't know, I don't have that much detail about it, but I know its shape and how it looks. It's kind of reddish. Yeah, it's red color. It's in red color mostly. Most of its part is of red color, and I'm sure it'll be good. It'll be an awesome bay. And not just that, so it went and knocked out Rocto, and then Basara told to Ranso that if you're in high mode, you will have less stamina, and then Ilya. Then so these both bays save yeah Savior Valkyrie in red color, Rashad's bay, and yeah Dynamite Belial with F gear, V gear, S gear, but not yet the L gear. L gear I think is gonna come soon. So these three gears, with all these three gears, both were clashing between each other from the start, and then Ilyamov again, like she took Magma Ifrit came and then hit them both, and then they both went and hit the stadium, and then they got bursted eventually. So Ilyamov won it, but Louis was angry. He wanted Bell to win so that he only he wanted to win against Bell. Now, most of you might know, or many of you might not know, but I'm gonna say it really. In Evolution, Bayreverse, in Evolution, like in the first season, Walt bets Xander, and from first season to second season, Xander was very angry about it. Like he worked hard and he made a new bay, and then he wanted to battle Walt again, and he but then Walt lost to the Renwu-san, like that too with three was the one, like Kuza, Walt, and Rantaro versus Renwu-san. They all got bursted, I guess so, but Valtra got bursted in the last, and then Xander was so sad and angry about it. Like he wanted he only wanted to beat Walt, but then Renwu-san bet him, and then but still Walt again bet Renwu-san and he bet Xander. So yeah, now like that the same way even Louis was beaten by Bell, and then Louis was like excited. He was like he didn't know that this new system like this he got to know that this new system is awesome, and maybe that's why he created a new bay, and now he thought that he'll battle this Bell and he'll crush him. I guess that's the way he talk, his dialogues like Louis. That's what makes people be more like there. That's what makes Louis get way more fans like even I'm also a fan due to his like dialogues and the script and everything, and even his character, his looks, his style. So now, so Louis was angry, and then Bell wanted to battle Ilyamo again. So Bell asked her, I mean, sorry, asked her, and then she told. I didn't see the English sub yet, but I guess, and I saw even the trailer. I guess Ilyamo will now make the protagonist Bell as a slave. Yeah, you heard it. I think because in the trailer in the preview, yeah, in the preview of the next Beowulf episode 23, we saw that Ilyamo dropping a spoon, and then this or is a Bell. Then she purposely dropped the spoon and she asked Bell to take it. I think so. I think she. I didn't see the English sub yet, like the subtitles. So and then gotta watch it in English subtitles too. And then in yeah, and then we can see that Bell taking a phone and recording Louis training, I guess, his bay and all. So it looks like Ilyamau told him to go and do it. She made him as a slave. Come on. And then he went, and then but Louis saw it. Man, okay. So that's what our protagonist of the season is, being a slave. Okay, interesting. Okay, I'm sure that Bell will defeat what's her name? Yeah, again Ilya Mao. Bell will defeat Ilya Mao, but in the next battle also I think so. Bell lost, I guess, but let's hope that Bell wins. So that's all for the spoilers. I hope that you like this video and share the video and subscribe our channel. So that's all. Bye bye.